Hi everybody, and welcome back down to the koi pond here in Lancashire. This is just a quick update on the repair job I did on this pond the other day. So this is just a quick update on me now filling the pond back up. So we'll turn the camera around and you can just see me filling the pond slowly back up. So please smash that subscribe button if you're new. If you already have, then thank you very much, it's very much appreciated. So let's turn the camera around and we can check the pond filling up. So now we are filling back up. The inlet is back on and we're nearly at the top. This is just a quick update on the repair I did. So there's a trickle in, trickle out, and you can see down there, there's the repair what we did the other day, and I'm pleased to say it is holding. So we are now just filling it back up. Everything is switched on. The ground is absolutely bone dry, so there's no leaks anywhere. So yeah, this is just a quick update to let you know how this repair's got on, and it's holding up. Happy days. If you enjoyed this quick update, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell for future videos. So we'll go back now and we'll finish this quick update off. So that was just a quick update on the repair I did to the pond after dropping my adjustable spanner into the pond and puncturing the liner. Everything is now fixed and up and running. There's no leaks, so that's happy days. So until the next video, take care of each other and happy ponding.